Hello Malos! Welcome back to Karenliz TV. And for today's video, I'm going to do a review and comparison video. And for today, I'll be featuring the MIINE Makeup Blender. So ito siya guys, yung angled type ng blender nila. It is a revolutionary makeup sponge designed to create an impeccable, streak-free, even coverage with minimum product waste. It features an open cell structure that fills with a small amount of water when wet. This allows the makeup blender to expand in size and become softer, then returning to its original size when air dried. So ito siya, and I bought this for $199 sa Watsons. And this is also distributed by Jenson Distribution Incorporated. And i-compare ko siya dito sa Michelle D Basics Multi-Purpose Sponge. Ayan. So, kasi halos same sila na angled. And again, the Michelle D Basics is distributed also by Jenson. So, titingnan natin if same ang quality nila. So, first na napansin ko, the MIINE is made in Korea, while the Michelle D Basics is made in China. Bubuksan ko na dito wala naman siya masyado nakalagay. So, you can get the Michelle D Basics kung mabibili mo yung kanilang set. Edgeless na yung microfiber type and then this one. So, that retails for 499 pesos. So, ito, mga 250 pesos. So, mas mahal siya ng 50 pesos dito sa isa. And as you can see, side by side, ayan. Halos same. As in, parang same na same. Kulay lang nagkaiba. Size, dry na to, nagamit ko na to, pero dry siya. Ito yung bago. So, ayan. Kung titignan nyo, yung sa size, halos parehas. As in, nung dry siya, parehas na parehas. And then, same, angled. May tip. So, ayun. Kaya sabi ko, I need to compare these two. So, sa softness, same. To be honest, same. So, parehas sila na medyo dense pa. Kahit na nagamit ko na to, and this one is brand new. And again, probably that's because na may angled siya dito. So, parehas ko nang babasain para makita din natin yung comparison naman niya pagbasa na. I'm back and ayan na siya. Nung malaki na, nung nabasa na. And same pa rin yung size niya, tingnan nyo naman. So cute. And then yung texture, parehas na parehas. This one is made in China and this one is made in Korea. Halos walang pinagkaiba. As in, hindi pala halos. Talagang walang pinagkaiba. Kulay lang talaga yung pinagkaiba nila. And then yung tignan nyo naman, same size. So now, tignan natin kung same din yung sa application. I'll be using same product ng foundation, each side, concealer, and powder. And tignan natin which one is mas maganda yung blending. I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation in the shade 128. 1, 2, 3. Kailangan parehas 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So, ayan. So, ayun, marami siya nakukuha na product. Pero yung blending niya and yung application, ayun, very flawless, seamless. Ayan, diba? Parang airbrush finish yung ating foundation. And ayan. So, next is, I'll be using the Michelle D Basics. So, to be honest, it's like I'm using the same product. Parehas ng softness, parehas ng blending capabilities. So, same, may mga nakuha na product as usual. Pero, ayun, halos same lang. Test ko naman siya yung parehas yung bouncing chorba niya sa sa face. Bouncing chorba. Magkasing lambot lang. Yeah, same. Yung softness niya, parehas. Ayun, squishy, pero may konting dense. Ayun, gets nyo? So, parehas. Oh my God. That's the tea. I'll be using the tip naman. Sabay nga natin i-blend. Hindi ako kaliweting. Try ko lang naman. Teka, nahihirapan ako mag-blend. Joke lang pala yun. Okay, same talaga siya, guys. I therefore conclude that na same ang kanyang quality. So, this is $199 and this is $250. So, actually, ito, hindi mo pa siya mabibili ng individual lang. So, you have to buy the set for $4.99. Depende sa'yo kung gusto mo yung microfiber sponge. And kung napanood mo yung previous video ko, hindi ko nagustuhan yung microfiber. And that's just my preference. So, ito na lang. Dito na ako sa $1.99. So, powder na tayo. Ano ba yan? Bakit nagkalat ang powder ni mama? So, now that I'm done with my foundation base, yun, I'll be back for my overall feedback. And I'm back, ayan. Medyo nagkakulay na po tayo, no? Ayan na po. And, ayun, let's go to my overall feedback. This is the MIINE Makeup Blender, and this is the Michelle D Basics Multi-Purpose Sponge. And, pareha silang ganyan, angled. And ito na sila pag nabasa na. So, same ang kanilang itsura. Same yung laki, yung paglaki. And then, the price of the MIINE is $199. And this one is roughly 250 pesos. And you can only buy this if you buy the set. So, the set is $499. This is cheaper. And kahit bumili ka nung parang kanilang sponge na parang beauty blender, the MIINE, $199 lang din. So, puro $199 yung ganitong sponge nila. So, ayun, overall, same quality, same yung kanilang application, gano'n, yung same texture. Dito na lang tayo sa cheaper alternative. Kung ito lang naman yung pagko-compare mo, the 199 pesos versus the 250 pesos. So, dito na tayo sa MIINE. Kasi, same lang eh. Unless na lang you want to buy the set, then, syempre, go for Michelle D Basics. So, thank you, Malos, for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye!